Today we're going to talk about lighting in your garden, how to do them quickly without any fuss. Let's get started. Steps, guys, will be to choose right transformer for your LEDs. In my case, I've got 3.7 amp 45 watts power supply. This is switching power supply. In my case, it's running cool. It's just over 50% capacity. I've got 8 LEDs, 3 watts, 24 watts. It's running absolutely fine. You can see here there's a main cable with a connector, and you can make sure it's the right ampere for your wire. So you will be running 240 volts on this. Okay, this is 30 amp terminal, so it's plenty enough just to transfer the power to the transformer. On the other side you got 12 volts and the connection here that goes down to the corner and back. Let's see, I'll show you. It's right there. Okay, make sure you got tube. This is a tower conduit, white, with all adapters. So you run the cables through it and make sure your water is not going through. Just cover it. And same here, connect through it and you put it on the back. Let me show you actually one of the examples. Yep. Okay, it's the first connection up here. Show you connection inside. I'm pretty sure there will be some earwig inside. They're always there to find a way to get through. It's a good idea to put the tape so the water won't goes in. There you go. Right here. There you go. See that? Okay, let's do some explanations. Yeah, this cable is to your LED actually. You got inline fuse here and the terminal here. Okay, those two comes here, and the another out connection you got here. As you can see, this one is going back here, so the hot wire comes through this. So if that goes short for some reason, your LED is actually saved and the fuse will protect your circuit, and you don't need to buy actually new LED. Okay, right, got this conduit tube here just to get better transfer voltage through the more cables you run, you will lose voltage across the resistance, and those LEDs are 12 volts, but if you further go, you see on the end they will have like 9 volts. That will be still enough to run your LEDs. Next step is to choose the right plug. I've got 13 amps, so make sure it's not going to melt if you connect it. Okay, the cable itself is 0.75 square meter, but you need to choose the right one. It depends how much power you need it actually for your LEDs, how many LEDs you're running. This can handle 6 amp. It's got a fuse, 3 amps below actually the cable can handle. Okay, because my transformer itself is 3.7. I want to protect my transformer as well, so in some reason there will be shortage and it will draw more than 3 amps. It will basically shut. I'm going to use this RCD as well. Okay, so if you got any leakage of current going back to your F, as this is 3-pin, you've got 3 wires. You've got 1 neutral positive, 1 going to the F. Okay, we connect those together here. Dark enough, let's turn them on. Okay, let's put it in the socket. Make it reset and test. It's fine. We got lights on. Okay, this is what we got. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Had fun installing your garden lights. So please subscribe if you want to see any other videos coming, and see you next time.
I don't deny there's some strange evolutionary process going on, but mankind won't